Morning assembly is the most serene feature of school curriculum, where students learn the value of collective prayer with unity and inculcate moral and ethical values. It helps each child to showcase his or her talent and ensure a robust start of the day. Hello everyone, this is Garima Jain, teacher at Ashoka International School, will address today what is the purpose of conducting assembly activities in our school and how they develop positive qualities among the children. So, here we go. So, the first purpose is to develop cultural and aesthetic skills. Our students gather a lot of energy during morning assembly and be good in their day. The program of the assembly conducted in our school has the potential to nurture and maintain a positive and healthy school culture that binds everyone. It also helps our students from different classes to interact with each other and bridges the gap of seniority and juniority between them. Our school assembly also create aesthetic awareness, and our students become aware of the beauty of sound, which create environments to help awaken their aesthetic senses, listening to prayers and hymns. Next is developing literary skills. Our assembly gives a cool and calm start to the otherwise hectic schedule of the day. It is the means of passing important information to students. The students assemble in one place where prayers are held, news is read out, instructions are given, poems are recited, speech are delivered. We give certificate to our students for being the best news reader or best orator, best storyteller, and great thinker of the month. This gives our students a positive vibe to participate more and more in literary activities of our morning assembly. The third objective we try to achieve is to maintain the physical fitness of our children. PT during the assembly made the students active and enthusiastic. Thus, a PT of at least half an hour is conducted every day in addition to other physical education activities and sports, which shape and muscularize the body of our students. Last but not the least, our assembly activities develop leadership skills among the students. As we know, leaders are the role models for whole school. They are known for their outstanding history of performances. Our winners become the leaders and lead the assembly as commander, house captains, who are given the house-wise duties to lead their houses, anchors, and student in charges. I hope through this video you will find something of real value. Thank you so much for watching.